Hi, my name is Robert Adams. I'm a personal bankruptcy, a lawyer in Chicago, and we serve the entire Chicago land. The purpose of this video is I get questions. Can I buy a car after I file Chapter 7? And the other question, of course, is can I get an auto loan after I file Chapter 7? You can buy a car after you file Chapter 7, even on the same day or anytime afterwards. Likewise, you can get a car loan after filing Chapter 7. The same as I just said, maybe as early as the day you file. But you have to be able to show that you can repay the loan. And you have to be realistic. The purpose of the Chapter 7 is to get out of debts. Because you're not paying old debts, you have money in your pocket. My personal advice is look for a modest car. You need a car to go to work, run errands, perhaps drop children at school, go to the doctor, etc. In today's day and age, it's very difficult to get around for a car. So get one that meets your basic needs. The question is, can I buy a car for cash? While you can, you should wait till after the Chapter 7 meeting. In Illinois, you only have a $4,000 exemption in personal property. Not much of a car you can get for under $4,000, unless you're just going to get a beater for the short term. After filing Chapter 7, you might be able to save enough money to buy an expensive car in a few months or have enough for a down payment. What if a relative is willing to buy a car for me? Well, that's fine, but you should wait till the case is actually filed, because a car is an asset. If you own a car before the filing, you have to disclose it and the value. After the case is filed, you don't have to really disclose it very much. What about auto loans? Well, you're free to borrow money. You can even do it on the same day or shortly thereafter. As I said, you have to show a potential auto lender that you can repay the loan. Any dealings are between you and the potential finance company. Be careful, be very careful. There are unscrupulous car dealers. They will sell you a junk car at high price with high interest rates. They'll sell you a car that's been in an accident before and you won't know about it. Many dealers get their cars from auctions, so nobody knows the condition of the car. Shop around. And remember, when you're dealing with a car salesman, you are the boss. And you should be able to say goodbye, turn around, and leave. Many lawyers have dealers who sell cars to Chapter 7 clients. These dealers have decent used vehicles at reasonable terms. I know our firm has a couple places we refer people. Your future credit score. When you buy a decent car with payments you can afford, your score will go up. Now I want to go to the flip side. If you buy a car you can't afford, after you file a Chapter 7 and you lose the car or you're behind in the payment, not only will your credit score not go up, it'll go down. A question might be, how much can I afford on a car? Well, I've read that a good starting place is 10% of your gross wages. Now, this may not be practical for everybody, but it's a good starting point. You start at 10%, you may have to go up, and you should try to look that you can repay the loan in 3 to 4 years. Sometimes you got to go a lot longer, but it's a good starting place. Now there's a question, what about the car I have? I owe money on it. Well, we have another article, and the site is listed below, where we discuss the 4 options you have when you own a car and you owe money on it when you file Chapter 7. I explain each of these options in detail. One of the options includes getting a replacement vehicle and giving up your current car and current loan. Again, buy a modest car. Well, I want to thank you very much for watching the video. I hope it's been helpful. If you have a need for a Chapter 7, please contact an experienced lawyer. Hopefully you'll call us. We have clients all throughout Chicago, the suburbs, and the adjacent counties. Thank you very much for watching the video, and God bless you.